Today I'm going to talk about a very interesting topic. Okay, and this is a news cutting from Times of India. On 13th of September 2020, Times of India stated that Midhani Masters, this Midhani is a PVT Ltd. Okay, this group masters armor that can stop AK-47 shots. It means now we have armor system that can stop shots from AK-47 as well. Okay, clear. Now you can have a look of this jacket, of this bulletproof jacket, and here it is written as Vava Kavach. It is called as Vava Kavach because it was developed by Vava Atomic Research Center. Clear. It was developed by Vava Atomic Research Center. Vava Atomic Research Center. Clear. Remember this. Now let us have a detailed analysis of this technology. So recently we have seen our Prime Minister loudly cheering the slogan of Atma Bharat Nirbhar, which means self-reliance. Clear. So it was way back then cheered by Gandhiji as well, right? So this Atmanirbhar Bharat means self-reliance, and this development of new technology is also a step forward towards Atmanirbhar Bharat. Okay, so here Midhani and Ordnance PVT Ltd has come up with a new set of bulletproof jacket that can protect. Okay, we have read that now, and are called as Vava Kavach. This new set of technology are called as Vava Kavach. It was dedicated to Bhava. Okay, who was Bhava? Can you please tell me in the comment section down below, since I have already talked about Bhava Atomic Research Center as well, right? Okay, so after that, and are ratified by BSI. So this new technology of Bhava Kavach has been ratified by which agency? It has been ratified by BSI. BSI means Bureau of Indian Standard. Okay, so we will talk about this in the last part of the video, but for the time being just stick to this. So this Bhava Kavach, this Bhava Kavach has been approved by which? Approved by BSI. Okay, so now this company or Indian government as a whole is not sticking only with this technology, but we are trying to develop a sort of a technology that can be reliable while having a confrontation with enemies, or having a confrontation with terrorist hit areas, right? So that is why, so the new plan is that not just this, but Indian government as a whole is trying to, or this Midhani group as a whole is trying to build a vehicle which is also called as run flat tires that can run after taking a shot on its tire can travel up to 100 kilometers. So it means these run flat tires are being in the process of development, and after development it can run, or it can travel up to 100 kilometers even after taking a bullet in its tires. Okay, so this is a news in transition, so we'll have to wait for a few months, then I think this vehicle system will come into the action. Okay, now let us have a look about this Bureau of Indian Standard. So look at this, the Bureau of Indian Standard. The Bureau of Indian Standard is the national standard body of India working under the aegis of Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. Remember this thing, BSI, Bureau of Indian Standards, comes under the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. Okay, FSSI also comes under this ministry, remember this thing. And this Bureau of Indian Standards was established by the Bureau of Indian Standards Act 1986. That's all for this topic. Thank you for watching.